Hey, it's Patrick, and let's talk about Feuling Camchest kits. So these are going to be applicable to anybody with a big twin 99 and forward. So twin cam engines 99 all the way up into that 2017 range, and Milwaukee 8s 2017 to current. Now, it's pretty well known. That's one of the best things you can do to squeeze a bunch more performance out of your Harley engine, which are pretty lackluster from the factory, is to do a cam. A cam really opens these up, especially the Milwaukee 8s. But once you get in there, you realize since you're in there doing the work, there's a ton of extra ground to be gained. The Harley oiling system is kind of notoriously not great. So when you get in there, you end up adding more parts and pieces. Oh, I might as well do my lifters, my pump, my plate. Feuling has taken kind of the guesswork out of having to piece all of that together and made kits. Now, they offer a ton of products along this whole line. They offer lifters and different push rods and a wide range of cams, both chain drive and gear drive, different styles of pumps and plates, and they've literally packaged them up. There's probably not a combination you can name that they haven't kitted up. And these are gonna run you anywhere from $1,600 to $1,800, and it's gonna cover all the bases. You see here on the twin cam side, we have the HP Plus pump, and over here on the Milwaukee 8 side, we have the Race pump. The Race stuff is gonna give you a few more options. Quite frankly, for most people, even with the hot rod street engine, the HP Plus stuff is so much better than your stock pump. It's plenty for you. It's like 40% more scavenging, or 6% more scavenging, 40% more volume. I know that Feuling has done dyno tests just swapping out the pumps and plates and gained 2 horsepower alone. So much better tolerances, more freer flowing, better oiling of your engine just on that alone. So when you get in there changing those cams, you really need to address these crappy Harley-Davidson oil systems. Again, we have different push rod setups. This over here, you notice, is not an adjustable setup. This is one of their race kits, so it's gonna run a solid push rod, which for most people on the street, the adjustable is gonna be the way to go. If you're building a very, very high performance engine, you will have some gains using those solid push rods. For most people in the street, they're not gonna do that. They have a wide range of cams, both M8 and twin cam. All of their cams are available in all of the kits, and they are complete kits. Along with lifter options, you're going to get all of the gaskets you're going to need. You see this one comes with the push rod tube covers, because these are adjustables. You have to be able to adjust them, so it comes with the new covers you're going to need. Everything but the oil, basically, these kits have you covered. Now, if you're worried about the install, this is a fairly complex install as far as installs go, but it's definitely not insurmountable, and we have videos to help you along the way. We have gear drive installation videos and chain drive installation videos. We've done all this work, and it was a ton of work to do all these, but if you follow step by step along, all you're gonna need is a couple of specialty cam tools. Not very expensive, you just need those to pull the bearings in and out of the motor, and you can do this all in your garage with basic hand tools. Now, if you're looking for more information, go ahead and click on that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That'll take you to a product detail page where you can read other writers' reviews and more specs about all of these different kits. If you're still looking for more information, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Now go work on those motorcycles.